Disclaimer: if any of you think that S9 and S9 Plus is not a good phone, you idiot, get lost. S9 and S9 Plus are awesome phones, but these are just the reasons why you should not buy them. So, let's begin.
So, reason number one, it has a lot of gimmick features. Just like to give you one example, one of them is the AR emoji. What, like, seriously, they copied the name as such. They are seriously telling us that I have copied. Animojis were much better. I did underestimate animojis, but after seeing this, the AR emoji on S9 and S9 Plus, animojis are like next level. So AR emojis are just stupid and waste of resources, and I don't like that. It is one of the gimmick features present on these smartphones. Second of the gimmick features is the super slow mo. Like, be serious. Are you going to use it yourself? Like, once in 1,000 times you may use it, but it's a royalty rather than a priority. So, this was the first point. Second point I'm going to tell you is, like, seriously, do you think any of this looks similar to their prior version? Yeah, obviously they do. S8 was just like S9, and S8 Plus was just like the S9 Plus. So they look similar, they have kind of similar internals. 835 and 845 won't make a difference, mind you. And also the GPUs, the upgrades are not that big of a difference. And if you turn the smartphone, you can see some differences, like the fingerprint scanner moved into a better location. But rather than that, there's nothing new. I expected at least the underscreen fingerprint scanner. I know the technology is quite new and it cannot be implemented, but still, it is not a worthy upgrade, I can say. Even if you have the S7, you can keep it. It's not worth your time. And the third feature I'm going to talk about is the price upgrade. Like, seriously, there is not that much features of upgrade, but you have to give a price upgrade for that. The S9 costs about 67,000 Indian rupees, and S9 Plus costs about 80,000 Indian rupees. And the S8 and S8 Plus you can get it for way cheaper. So why should you consider these smartphones? The fourth and last thing that I'm going to tell you is the camera. Like, you might have heard that camera is the best on this smartphone. Whatever they have done, like the variable aperture and all that, Pixel has been doing that with software. So where is the originality? Where is the newness? And yeah, seriously, I don't feel it's a worthy upgrade. But if you're coming from a mid-ranger, you can surely and upgrade it. But seriously, I'm repeating myself, if you have a mid-ranger and if you have money, like a whole lot of money, you can buy this smartphones, any of these, and you will not regret it. But if you are still satisfied with your older generation smartphone, I think you can wait for the Pixel 3. You can wait for the later 2018, and you might get some awesome features like under the screen fingerprint scanner, a much better camera with the Pixel 3 XL. I expect that. So why should you upgrade? You say that if you are a Samsung fanboy and you want a Samsung smartphone, then you can wholeheartedly go for this. So that was all for this video. If you liked my video, go ahead, share this to your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Tarun Srivastava from Eccentric Tech, signing out.